Hey guys, Rat Nation, got another vehicle, a couple for you to look at. Cool old truck, Little Pete.
Well, make it look like a big truck, so it's smaller than
Got a big truck, yeah.
Custom Little Pete.
Oh, sorry.
And look at the truck, Red Ass Ranch. We'll have to talk to the owners what this Red Ass Ranch means. Get some info about that.
That's the 57, 55 right up there.
This is their other vehicle. Husband and wife team. 29 Ford. And we'll get to talk to her, this young lady, about her vehicle. Model A Ford Roadster pickup.
I'm trying to stay out of your pictures, but I'm not sure I'm succeeding.
Give you a chance to get behind the driving wheel here. All right, let's go see the owners of these nice vehicles. Hey, how are y'all?
We're
fine.
thanks. How are you?
What is your name?
I'm Patty Freeze.
Patty Freeze.
Wesley Freeze.
Mr. Wesley and Miss Patty. I just took a view and videoed your vehicles, and I want to tell you that is some really nice stuff.
Thank you.
We do a segment with our Rat Nation called Stories Behind the Rods. And what that does is people get to look at them, and most people want to know about it, so we get with the owners and they tell us what's going on and how long you had it and what you did and if you built it, if you drive it regular, all kinds of good stuff. So Miss Patty, I want you to start out. I've looked at two, and yours is the 29?
I'm going to claim that one because I didn't build it or anything else, but since we bring two, I claim that one. It's smaller, it's more my size.
And where are you guys from?
We're from a little north of Huntsville, a community called Crabs Prairie.
Crabs Prairie. I'm familiar with that.
Ah.
And have you been, of course, we're in Fairfield, Texas, and we're at the square doing the car show, and you guys have brought two, and I'm so glad that you guys are here. And just tell me a little bit about your car. Do you drive it on a regular basis?
Not on a regular basis. We take it out every now and then, the little one every now and then, 29. But my husband built a little Pete, and
Yeah.
that's more fun to drive around because it gets some funny
It's
looks.
unusual. Both of y'all's cars are unusual, and then we like, this is a publication called Rat Nation, and we do a lot of unusual stuff. People like to see it, and when I come to talk to people like this, usually the other people are way off. They don't see stuff like you guys bring, and so it's a treat to be able to look at that. So I know you say you drive it a little bit, but that's yours. That's what you claim.
Yeah, it's ours, but
Yeah.
yes, I claim
If you go get in it, that's one. It's
That's
kind of a big truck and a little guy.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna I appreciate that. I'm gonna talk to him a little bit about Red Ass Ranch because it's all over him.
He started it, so
All right,
he's the one
let's
that-
talk to him, Mr. Freed.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you. I'm glad you're here. So tell me a little bit about your truck first.
Well, it's built on a 1995 Ford F-250 frame and drivetrain. And everything else was hand-built in my garage.
Custom built.
Custom built.
It's a really cool truck. Very unusual, and it's a drive. I guess you drive it too, right?
Yeah, we can drive it. We put the 29 in the trailer and we hook it up behind the little Pete and we drag them around to the show.
And that is really cool. So would you say that truck could probably be used commercially, I guess, too, if you wanted to?
I guess it
Yeah.
ain't never gonna get there, but okay.
It's your fun truck, right?
That's right.
So let's go with the big question. I know you have your little your Model T replica.
Yeah, we redid that too.
Yeah. Tell me about this Red Ass Ranch.
Well, at one point in time in my life, I had 700 employees. Every day, 2 or 3 of them would show up with a hangover or a hangnail.
I got it.
And I'd tell them, well, you know, it's a red-ass world. You're just going to have to figure out what you want to do. And our kids grew up with that saying.
Right.
And I had a woodworking shop, and they made me a big plaque that said Red Ass Workshop.
I knew there had to be a link to it somewhere because I know there's not a Red Ass Mule.
No. And ever since then, everything's been named Red Ass whatever.
On the ranch.
Yeah.
So are you from originally in this area? I know you say you're from Huntsville, but is Texas your home?
No, I've been all over the world.
I got you.
We spent 40 years in Houston making a living.
I understand. Well, I'm just glad you came out here today. So do you make many of these shows, or you just kind of something you do this on a close to home basis?
Close to home base.
I got you. Well, look, I appreciate you guys coming out and your interview. I would say this, subscribe to our channel, Rat Nation. If you're seeing this, or subscribe to our channel, see more about this. You know, people look at these and they see these 50, 70, 80, $100,000 cars and they think they got to have that to come out here. But that's really not true.
That ain't true.
This is a social environment,
place
right?
for everybody.
It's good to see a husband and wife and families got kids out here, and it's a social environment. And we try to portray that to our audience so that these people can come out without having to spend a whole bunch of money. Just come out, get in the environment, enjoy the social activities of it, and meet some people and have a good time. Would you say that?
Absolutely,
Right.
That's what it's for.
Well, I appreciate you. I'm Robert with Rat
Robert.
Nation, and ma'am, thank
Nice
you
to
for the
meet you,
interview,
Robert.
and
Thank you.
I hope to see y'all around soon.
You betcha.
Thank y'all. Y'all subscribe. Here we go.
Will